What is the equation between ability and willingness, and also how does this play a part in managing risk? Industry expert Mr. Gururaj will elaborate now.
If I don't have the ability and if I have the willingness, no use. You should not take risk. That's where we said no, right? Now the point is if both is no, obvious and no. Now you have the ability, you have the willingness, but you should take risk. The biggest issue comes with that last quarter. You have the ability to take risk, but you are not willing to take risk. This is what you need to understand. This is what, as an investor, if you are in this quadrant, you have the ability. When I say ability, you have all the ages with you, or probably you are in a good job, right? Or you have enough assets. So you have the ability to take. But because of your past experience or some negative experience, you may say, I don't have the willingness. Now, the cost of it is because your returns will not be good. So that is where you need to understand, boss, how can I balance this and ensure that I still do it? Right. So all those people, the remaining three quadrants are very simple, right? There is nothing to apply. The biggest challenge is that last quadrant. Ask yourself whether I have the ability, but I don't have the willingness, right? If you are in that place, that's where you need an advisor to handhold you and ensure that you still get a better rate. How can I reduce my risk? That's what you need to be clear. So ask yourself that question, where you are falling under, and accordingly take that call.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.